Crafter here with a destash haul of items I bought from the lady Ink Stamp Paper, I think her YouTube is. I will link her YouTube down below because if you've not checked her out, then she has a really good crafting channel over on there, and I will, like I say, put it in the description box. But let's get this open because I can't remember exactly what I ordered off her. So the first thing is this tattered lace shoe die, and it's called the Crystal Slipper, and it's got a little bow on top of there. I'm guessing this is the actual size. It's quite a big shoe really. It's really pretty. I really like this. Oh no, it's even bigger than this because it says it's shown 80%. So that's really good. And all of this lot, actually, I can't remember the individual prices, but it all actually came to £20 including the postage. So I'm really pleased with the price and all this goodness I got. Then I got this palm tree set with a hammock in there as well, and we've got little coconuts, so that's going to be cool. What's in this one? It looks like a lot of flower dyes really in here. So sunflowers, I think it is. That's really cute. I've actually got a set, if it is sunflowers, I've got a Papercraft Society box with a lot of sunflowers in, so that'll come in handy with that. And then we've got some leaf dies here and an outline. Is there an outline die? I think there's an outline die as well in there. We've got a little escapee here. Not too sure which die set that's from, but I'll figure it out. I'm guessing it's from this one actually, because this is lots of leaves and there's some of it falling out already, so yeah. And these have got like a stitched pattern on them. So just pop that in, as well as this one. And what's this one? I can't work out exactly what this one is. There's some hearts in there. Yeah, there's some hearts in there, but I don't know why it's giving me vibes of a hot air balloon, so maybe that's what it is as well. I don't know, but I'm intrigued to see what that one is. Like I say, I can't remember what I exactly ordered anyway. And then we've got this one, which is pass. I do not actually know what this one is, so hey ho. And then we've got this Sizzix typewriter one, and it's My Life Randoms, and it says love letter, so I think you just get the love letter in this. I'm not too sure if you get the actual typewriter. Let's have a look. Oh, you do actually get the typewriter as well, so that's cool. And then we've got some nautical dies in here. Let's open this up and show you. A lot of the stuff she was destashing was things you get free from the magazines and stuff. We're not free because you're paying for the magazine really. Most people buy the magazines for the so-called free stuff. So, I'll come off here anyway. But you can see you get a lighthouse, you've got a bird, got an anchor here. Then we've got a boat, and there's some wheel, and then some waves and stuff in there. And that's the nautical scenes. I don't know what magazine that was from, but I got that because I got the Tonic Studios nautical theme, and I thought that would really like boost that up. And then we've got this 3-in-1 fancy rosette maker. So I've never really done a rosette maker before. I've only ever used dies, so I'm really interested in having a go at this. And this was the main reason I actually bought some stuff from, I think her name's Jessica, I'm sure she won't mind me saying. I'd seen a few people use this in older YouTube videos, and I wasn't crafting back when this came about. I did go on the Crafter's Companion to try and find this gift set, but it was having none of it, so I'm so glad that she was putting this up for sale, because this was definitely on my wish list, and I kept going on eBay and everything trying to find it, and I couldn't find it, so I'm super made up that I've got this one now. And then we've got a planner set, and it's got an embossing folder here as well, and an actual die up here as well, which I didn't actually notice before. And it's got the days of the week on there as well, and that's the die cut, I'm guessing, is for this stamp, the paperclip stamp. And then we got this set here. Again, you've got the palm trees and a hammock, which would go great with them first stamps dies I showed earlier on. We've got some animals, we've got some sentiment, some trees, we've got like a walkway to the lake, which we've got a stamp here of. And then we've got some crafty individual stamps here of 2 little girls, and then a gentleman and a lady with a dog. And then we've got this set here, which is very, very gorgeous indeed. It's got the elephants and owls, and it's very Aztec-y colouring. This really reminds me of the, sorry, I'm totally out of focus there, the mandolin type of books, adult colouring books, and got seahorses. And then at the bottom here we've got like birds and florals and stuff like that, and lots of little different sentiments again. And then we've got this Best of British. I absolutely love this. It is British. It is Britain, isn't it, on a stamp set. So we've got like the war ladies here, we've got the planes, I think it's a Spitfire, I don't know, I'm not very up on that. We've got the taxis, buses, medals, bulldogs, telephones. I'm going to have so much fun with this set, like it's amazing. Oh, and I didn't even realise, but at the back we've actually got a Union Jack stencil as well. So absolutely love that set. And then the last set we've got is Beneath the Waves. So there's a lot of nautical theme here going on, in case you hadn't noticed with the things I'd chosen off for. So we've got like some mermaids here, we've got some squid, octopus, what's these called now, jellyfish, there's turtles, and some seaweed, and some grasses, and some dolphins and stuff, some shells. So lots and lots of stamps there to go at. So absolutely made up that I got all this for £20. So it's like 1, 2, 3. There's 4 sets of A4 sets of stamps there straight away. And then we've got another set, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 sets, guys, for £20 posted out to me. So I'm really impressed with what I got. Do check out Jessica's channel. Like I say, I will link it down below, and go on and have a look on other people who are doing destash videos, because this is definitely making me want to go and check out if anyone else in the UK are doing destash videos, so that I can get some stock that is older and most people don't want them anymore because they've used them or whatever. Most of this looks brand new and not been used, so I'm really happy. So thank you very much, Jessica, again, and thank you everyone for commenting and subscribing and everything else. I really do appreciate it, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.